Yo, what's up? It's Ace Johnson here, and we're gonna push some long range. Yeah! Let's go do that. Let's go push that long range. Send it! Send it! That's my cue. It's time to go.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. I recommend that you keep your arms and legs inside this ride at all times. As we're flying, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the craft that we're traveling on. This is an iFlight ultralight carbon frame. It has absolutely no fail-safe or protection, so hold on tight. We're taking this thing for a 5-kilometer round trip today. Folks, we're flying with an 1100 milliamp hour lithium ion pack, so nobody fire off any bullets. Nobody light any cigarettes or matches. The image today brought to you by RunCam Hybrid Split version 2. Running at a 2.7K. In the background, you can hear some of those motor noises coming to your left and your right. Actually, it's a quadraphonic motor noise sound because there are 4. This isn't a situation where if you're scared, you can bail out and use your parachute, because your parachute will just get sucked up in the propellers and you will inevitably die. Down below you will see Jakes's. "20 more years on this farm, maybe 30. Beautiful day. We have 15-kilometer-an-hour winds with 27-kilometer-an-hour gusts. The bird only weighs 239.5 grams, which is why we are tilted off to the left side, trying to go straight. Hold on to your coffees, because you can't sit them on the tray. All the way out cruising, pushing approximately 50 kilometers an hour and pulling 7.25 amps. We have plenty of power. DTX transmission brought to you by Panda RC, set to 800 milliwatts. Right circular polarized antennas on the transmitter and receiver. The receiver is rapid fire and the transmitter is Panda RC. Rock solid antenna connection brought to you by Foxeer. Foxeer, putting the fox in your FPV experience. On the way back now, we turned around at approximately 2.59 kilometers. Following the road back, just in case we get lost. Down and to your right, the dizer operation. Poultry, dairy, and pork. Some of the best you'll find in Oxford County. A little bit of turbulence there, folks, because we've got that wind, and don't forget the aircraft is ultralight, giving us that long range opportunity. GPS satellites locked in at 14. And coming in nice and smooth. We seem to be losing power for some reason. Hold on tight. We're gonna come in hot.